Annabelle, try on the shoes. Try on your new shoes.
My socks down.
You want to put your socks on? Do you like your shoes? You want me to put them on you? You're going to sit in my lap? You put them on.
Noise. Noise.
It's the camera. Can you say hi, camera?
Hi.
Camera.
Come on.
Go put on Mama's shoes. Can you put on Mama's shoes? Go try them on.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah. Did you have a delicious meal?
Meal.
You say delicious?
This is. Read a book. Read a book. Read a book.
Do you like your shoes?
And take off. And take off.
You want to take them off? You just put them on. You just said, whoa, whoa.
Okay.
You're okay. Oh, you kicked them off. Can you say, I like your shoes?
I like your shoes.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Aunt Terry.
Book. 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 Okay.
You want your milk?
Look.
What do you say?
Please. You.
Now what do you say?
Please.
What else?
Please.
No?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Achoo!
You.
Achoo! What do you say?
Please.
Achoo!
I do.
What do you say when I sneeze?
Thank you. Thank you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Try on Mama's shoes. Do you have a dirty diaper? Annabelle, do you have a dirty diaper? Can you say pew?
Pew. 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 Go. We go. We go. Pretty.
They're pretty, aren't they? What do you think of your shoes?
Climbing.
You gonna climb? Say, I like these shoes.
Okay.
Annabelle, can you say hush your mouth?
Hush your mouth. Thank you.
What'd you have for dinner? Do you have beans? Say, come here.
Come here.
Say, get down.
Get down.
Can you say your numbers? Can you count Mama's fingers?
1,
Say 1.
2,
What comes after 2?
3.
What comes after 3?
Boots.
Boots. What comes after 3?
3,
Say 4.
5, 6, 7, 9.
What comes after 9? What comes after 9?
10.
Good job.
Oops. Yeah.
Do you make a mess? Are you messy?
Messy.
You putting on your new shoes? Say, I like these shoes. You got plumber pants on. I see your booty.
10.
I see your booty. Ooh, there's your booty.
You.
Yeah, P.U. We gotta go upstairs and change your booty. Wanna go night-night? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song? Round, round?
Round. Peace.
Do you like the bus? Do you like the song Hush Little Baby?
I like your shoes.
I know you like those shoes.
I know.
Say, shut the door.
Shut the door. No noise.
Are you smart?
Come out. Come out.
Camera, yes.
Slide.
Yeah, you're sliding. Whoa, uh-oh. Don't fall. Where's Sissy?
Wee.
Uh-oh, there you go. Hey, what's your little toe say?
Baby.
Whoa, you fell down. What's the dog say? What's the pig say?
Old.
What does the cat say? What's the cat say?
Meow.
What's the dog say? What does the snake say? What does the elephant say? You're smart. What's the horse say?
Me.
Yeah, tell me again what the pig says.
Oink.
What about the cat? Tell me again about the cat.
Meow.
What does the duck say?
Correct.
Raise your hand if you're smart. Raise your hand if you're pretty. Raise your hand if you're silly. Raise your hand if you're silly. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Baby. Come
Look.
out.
Blow kiss. Can you blow a kiss?
Or. Right there.
Foot.
See him? See him?
Go get the other one. I see him.
Like that. Duck.
You want my help? Okay.